When you're looking and imaging and recording from the parts of the brain that you guys often look at, places in the prefrontal cortex, how do conditions like depression or depression like behavior in rodents or stressful situations, what do we know about how that changes, leads to neuroplastic changes in certain parts of the cortex?
There has been several decades of study in this area. I would say name many of the pioneers in this area. For example, Bruce McEwen and Ron Duman, who has done many elegant studies showing that if you give chronic stress to an animal, this means that you subject them to a different type of behavioral paradigm that would cause stress and anxiety to the animal. And you would also do these over time. The animal would start to express symptoms that mimic aspects of depression, because stress is also a key predictor of depression in people. And then these stress animal, if you when they look at the frontal cortex, they would tend to see a reduction in the number of dendritic spines. What this suggests is the loss of excitatory synaptic connections or synapses. Ron Duman also has some very elegant work showing that, not only in animal this can occur, but in human, you can also find correlates of this. Most notably, he find that if you look at proteins that typically express in these excitatory synapses, they are also decreased in human postmortem tissue when you compare people with depression versus other healthy individuals.
In this pattern, so this loss of synapses or things that suggest a loss of synapses and a loss of certain connections, do we tend to find that in very specific parts of the brain or layers of cortex more than other areas?